Hey guys, okay, today we are going to make a hair tea. I have this hairstyle that I really like. It's very light two-strand twist, and it's pretty much a protective style for me because it allows me to be able to put all my hair products in my hair while it's just nice and relaxed. I don't have to worry about it when I'm working out.
I can do it for locks too.
And Monica can do it for locks. So what we're doing is we're making a hair tea, and we're going to be able to spray the tea throughout our twist. She could spray it in her roots. I'll spray it on my twist. Yes, I'll spray it on my twist, and I can spray it on my root. And it's something that we use to strengthen our hair. It has a lot of great stuff in it, so we're going to share that with you today. And hopefully you'll like it. So here we have 4 Earl Grey tea bags. It's just black tea. So we'll open these up and place them in here. Ignore these scissors sitting here. We use them to cut the bag that has the chamomile tea in it. And once you get all of those open, you place them in your nice porcelain container. Drop your 3 cinnamon sticks or cassia sticks in there. We're going to take a tablespoon of henna. That's no color henna. And we're going to pour, maybe I'll grab some chamomile. Nice, fresh chamomile. That's it. Pour your hot water in there. And we're going to let that stir it up a little bit. That's good. So we'll stir it up, make sure it blends together. And we're going to let that steep. Put a little top on there. And there we go. Once it has steeped for maybe 3 to 5 minutes, you can go ahead and strain it into a container of your choice. We'll be putting it into a spray bottle anyway. Let all of those good benefits and excellent nutrients go into the tea. And now we're going to take this wonderful concoction and pour it into a glass bottle. Normally we'll let it cool off a little bit, but we just did this on the fly, so we'll let it cool off a little bit after we fill up the bottle. Okay, we overfilled this bottle a little bit, so we're gonna pour some of this out, put the top on there, and shake it up a bit. But now that we think about it, maybe it's a good idea to go ahead and add some peppermint essential oil. Give it a little extra boost. Peppermint is excellent for the hair as well. We'll add a few drops. There you go. And place that top on there and shake it up a little bit. We're gonna let it cool a little bit because it's still warm. And make sure you put all the ingredients so you know what it is. And you don't do anything crazy like drink it. So I have my tea here. It's wonderful. Spray it into my braids, spray it into my scalp. It's so refreshing. We put that peppermint in it so it smells so good. And you can put it in a refrigerator to store it, you know. Put the ingredients, maybe put the date on there, but we use it up. We can use it over the course of 3 weeks at least. Because, you know, this is a nice glass spray bottle and hold it really well. So, hope you'll enjoy it. That is our hair tea recipe. It's very good for strengthening the hair because it has henna in it, chamomile, all the wonderful benefits. Maybe I'll include it in there so you'll see it. Thanks for watching.